Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be swatching the Urban Decay Honey Palette for you. If you can tell, my face kind of is glistening right now. I just filmed a makeup tutorial, like a makeup look using the Rare Beauty collection from Selena Gomez and using the Urban Decay Honey palette as well. So it's been about an hour and a half since I shot that video, or maybe 2 hours now, not really sure. And this is kind of like what my face looks like. I did not apply any powder, and this is a lot more, I'm looking a lot more shinier and oily than I wanted to. So I think next time I will go ahead and apply some powder when using the Rare Beauty products because I look so oily. Okay, anyways, sorry, those are my birds. Yeah, so for this makeup look, I did use the Urban Decay Honey palette, and I'm not sure if I did such a great job blending here, but you know, I tried, and I used the Burberry mascara on my eyelashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch, like I have the palette here. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the colors for everyone here. I'm going to swatch the Flyby color. I may not be that great at swatching, everyone. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm not going to be good at swatching at all. Okay, so that's Flyby. It's like a matte color. The first three colors are matte. Flyby. This one is Sweet. What is it called? Just Sweet. Take a look at that color. This one is Swarm, which is a very warm coffee latte color, in my opinion. Now we're getting to the shimmery colors that have some shimmer to them. This one is called Amber. Ooh, that one's so nice. Oh, I love how that one looks. It definitely is like a gold honey with shimmer. Okay, this next one is called Keeper. Okay, now I'm going in with Golden, which is this color right here. Oops. Very nice. And I love all of these colors. This one is a green shimmery color. I think this one is actually called Honey. No, it's called Queen. The honey color. See that? Wait, I hope I didn't mess up the swatches. Okay, this one is Hive. Drip. This one is what? I can't. Hibic? HBIC? How am I saying that? HBIC. I'm going to go ahead and stick the last color up here. Hey, be quiet! You can see the different colors there. Oh, palette, I love all of these colors. The colors that I'm wearing now on my eyelids, I used on like up here on my crease, I used Honey. And I know I used that Amber color. No, actually, I used Honey on my crease. I believe I used the Golden down here. And then a little bit of the honey at the bottom here. And so yeah, I didn't really use too many colors to, you know, do this makeup look, but I really do love these colors. At first I was trying to see, you know, if they would go with me, because it seemed like I would have trouble using the colors. I wasn't too sure if they would go with me, but yeah, so this is like one of the makeup looks that I created, which is pretty simple. It's just 2 eyeshadow colors. Okay everyone, so now I'm going to go ahead and create another makeup look using the Honey palette from the Urban Decay brand. I did apply the flyby color all over my eyelid, that way I could start off, you know, fairly on a, I guess, fairly clean canvas here. I was wearing like the shimmery honey colors and everything, so this one is going to be more of me using the neutral colors, because I do think that those would show up like really pretty. So let me go ahead and use first I'm going to go ahead with the color Hive, which is like a greeny color here. Oh wait, can you see that? A little bit circular motions here. I really love all of like the Urban Decay palettes. The formulas are great, and you know, they last a long time. They're really good quality eyeshadow palettes, so I really do love this brand. Sting color, which is dark, which is gonna be great for like a smoky eye. I'm going to apply it up here, a little bit there, and a little bit here. And the reason why I'm doing it the way I did it is because I don't want to apply too much color, so I'm taking some of the eyeshadow off on my leg. I just want it to look a little bit like a dome in my eye and add a little bit of definition there. Okay, yeah, that's coming along. I'm just going to spread that and then blend that a little bit more. Can you see that? And you know what, I just realized I'm not wearing any eyeliner. I must have forgot to apply. Okay, underneath I'm going to dab a little bit of the drip color, and I'm going to put that underneath here. Drip. And same here. Exactly like that. That is such a pretty color. I kind of want to take that same color, apply it closer up here to my lash line to create more like a definition here. Okay, so now I was wearing Burberry mascara, but it looked like the color came off. So anyway, so this is kind of like the look that I was going for. Like this part right here, I definitely wanted it to be dark and like a dark matte kind of eyeshadow, if that makes sense. And let me try to take it just a little bit darker, because I definitely want it to be just a little bit darker there and a little bit darker here. Going in with the Sting color. It's like a matte, warm, dark brown. And then just blend that as best as you can. This is like really nice. Okay, so then yeah, so I think I'm pretty happy with how this makeup look turned out for I mean, I could definitely go in with the Swarm color in here a little bit. Usually I do like to use two colors at the bottom of my eye to just give it a little bit of more dimension underneath. So this is like the makeup look that I created. What do y'all think? I'm not wearing any eyeliner, but I think it would look a lot prettier with eyeliner. Let me try to go find my eyeliner. Okay everyone, I'm back. I have my eyeliner here. This is like the Morphe liquid liner. Sometimes I like to do a wing, other times I don't. I guess it just depends, but I know for me, like my biggest struggle is eyeliner. No doubt. All right, everyone. So that is the finished makeup look. What does everyone think? I definitely like it. It doesn't look like it's like too much. It's like a nice natural color, so I really like it. Let me put my hair down here. That way we can kind of see it a little bit more with like hair in the way. Okay, so I really like the makeup look. I think this color, this eyeshadow palette is very warm. I personally feel like I look better with cooler tones, but you know, it doesn't look bad. I really like it, and I love Urban Decay. This palette is really beautiful, and I feel like you could just do a lot of really nice makeup looks that won't look like they're too much. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to check out my other videos. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye.